Football, a sport followed by billions, ignites passion like no other. From the manicured pitches of professional leagues to dusty fields in remote villages, the love for the beautiful game transcends borders and cultures. And at the heart of this global phenomenon lies a humble yet essential piece of equipment, the football boot. The earliest forms of football boots were far removed from the technological marvels we see today. In the 1800s, as codified football began to emerge in England, players wore heavy work boots, often with steel toe caps for protection. These boots, designed for durability rather than agility, were ill-suited for the demands of the burgeoning sport. Passing, dribbling, and shooting were cumbersome, hindering the development of skill and strategy. Yet even in these rudimentary beginnings, the football boot played a crucial role. It provided a rudimentary interface between player and pitch, offering essential grip and stability on muddy fields. As the sport evolved, so too did the need for more specialized footwear, paving the way for a century of innovation and transformation. The late 19th century witnessed the gradual transition from work boots to purpose-built football boots. Leather, more supple and lighter than its predecessors, became the material of choice. High ankles, providing support but restricting movement, gave way to lower cuts. Studs, initially made of leather or metal, were hammered into the soles, offering enhanced traction on soft ground. The 1904 FA Cup final between Manchester City and Bolton Wanderers provides a glimpse into this era. Heavy rain transformed the Crystal Palace pitch into a mud bath, making conditions treacherous. Players struggled to maintain their footing, highlighting the need for improved footwear. Despite the challenging conditions, Manchester City emerged victorious, a testament to their adaptability and perhaps the superior grip of their boots. This period also saw the emergence of specialized manufacturers catering to the growing demand for football boots. Companies like Gola and Hummel, names synonymous with sporting goods today, began their journeys as pioneers in football boot design. The evolution from workwear to specialized equipment was underway, setting the stage for further innovation in the decades to come. The period between the two world wars witnessed significant advancements in football boot technology. Leather treatments improved waterproofing and durability. The introduction of interchangeable studs, pioneered by German shoemaker Adi Dassler, founder of Adidas, allowed players to adapt to varying ground conditions. Lighter materials such as Kangaroo leather were explored for their softness and comfort. The 1930 FIFA World Cup, the inaugural edition of the tournament, showcased these advancements on the global stage. Uruguay, the host nation and eventual champions, donned boots that were lighter and more flexible than their European counterparts. Their skillful, short-passing game, facilitated by their superior footwear, proved too much for their opponents. The evolution of the football boot during this era was not solely driven by technological advancements. The growing popularity of the sport, fueled by radio broadcasts and increased media coverage, created a burgeoning market for sporting goods. Players, now revered as idols and role models, exerted greater influence on boot design, demanding footwear that enhanced their performance and reflected their individual styles. The post-World War II era marked a turning point in football boot design and manufacturing. Rationing ended, economies recovered, and football, relatively unscathed by the war, experienced a surge in popularity. This growth spurred further innovation in boot technology and aesthetics. The 1950s saw the rise of molded studs, offering improved durability and performance compared to their screw-in counterparts. Boot manufacturers experimented with new materials, including synthetic leathers, in a bid to reduce weight and enhance comfort. The iconic black boot, a staple for decades, began to give way to splashes of color as brands sought to differentiate their products. The 1954 World Cup final, dubbed the Miracle of Bern, showcased the impact of these advancements. Hungary, led by the prolific Ferenc Puskás, were the heavy favorites. Their innovative lightweight boots, featuring molded studs, gave them an edge on the rain-soaked Bern pitch. However, West Germany, wearing a new type of screw-in stud that provided superior traction in wet conditions, staged a remarkable comeback to win their first World Cup title. Section 5. The 1960s is often hailed as a golden age for football, marked by tactical innovation and the emergence of legendary players. This era also witnessed significant developments in football boot design, driven by a confluence of technological advancements and cultural shifts. Kangaroo leather, prized for its lightness, strength and comfort, became the material of choice for high-end boots. Manufacturers experimented with lighter and more flexible sole plates, allowing for greater freedom of movement and enhanced ball control. The iconic Adidas Copa Mundial, launched in 1979 but rooted in the design innovations of the 1960s, remains a testament to the craftsmanship and performance of this era. The 1966 World Cup, hosted and won by England, remains etched in history for its controversial third goal. Geoff Hurst's shot, which hit the crossbar and bounced down, was judged to have crossed the line, securing England's victory. This incident sparked debate about the need for goal line technology, highlighting how advancements in other areas of the game were outpacing those in officiating. Section 6. The 1970s and 1980s ushered in the modern era of football boot design, characterized by a shift from traditional materials and manufacturing techniques to cutting-edge innovation and mass production. Synthetic materials offering greater durability and weather resistance than kangaroo leather gained prominence. The introduction of molded sole plates, replacing stitched versions, allowed for greater flexibility and reduced weight. Boot manufacturers began incorporating air cushioning and gel pads into their designs, enhancing comfort and shock absorption. The iconic Puma King, worn by legends like Johan Cruyff and Diego Maradona, epitomized the blend of classic design and modern technology of this era. This period also saw the rise of specialization in boot design. Manufacturers developed models tailored to specific positions and playing styles. Lightweight boots with strategically placed studs catered to speedy wingers, while heavier, more robust boots offered greater protection and support for defenders. The football boot was no longer a one-size-fits-all piece of equipment, but rather a tool for enhancing individual performance. Section 7. The 1990s witnessed a seismic shift in football boot design with the introduction of the Adidas Predator. Conceived by former player Craig Johnston, the Predator featured a radical new concept: rubber ridges and fins on the forefoot, designed to increase friction and enhance power and swerve when striking the ball. Launched in 1994, the Predator was an instant hit, becoming synonymous with a generation of players, including David Beckham and Zinedine Zidane. Its revolutionary design not only enhanced performance, but also transformed the aesthetics of the football boot. The Predator's bold, aggressive look, a departure from the traditional black boot, ushered in an era of vibrant colors and eye-catching designs. The Predator's impact extended beyond the pitch, influencing popular culture and inspiring countless imitations. It cemented Adidas's position as a leader in football boot innovation and set a new benchmark for performance and design. The Predator's legacy continues today, with updated versions still worn by some of the world's best players. Section 8. The Mercurial Revolution's speed takes center stage. In 1998, Nike, not to be outdone by Adidas, launched the Mercurial, a boot designed for speed and agility. Inspired by track spikes and crafted with a lightweight synthetic upper, the Mercurial was a radical departure from traditional leather boots. Its sleek, minimalist design, a stark contrast to the Predator's robust aesthetic, reflected its focus on speed and maneuverability. The Mercurial's debut on the feet of Brazilian superstar Ronaldo at the 1998 World Cup cemented its status as a game-changer. Ronaldo's blistering pace and dazzling footwork, amplified by the lightweight Mercurial, captivated audiences worldwide. The boot became synonymous with a new generation of fleet-footed forwards, including Cristiano Ronaldo and Kylian Mbappe. The Mercurial's impact extended beyond its technological innovation. It ushered in an era of athlete-centric marketing, with Nike collaborating closely with star players to develop and promote its products. The Mercurial became more than just a boot. It was a symbol of speed, style, and individual brilliance, reflecting the evolving role of athletes as global icons. Section 9. The Contemporary Era Customization and Data-Driven Design. The 21st century has witnessed an explosion of innovation in football boot technology, driven by advancements in materials science, manufacturing techniques, and data analytics. Today's boots are lighter, stronger, and more comfortable than ever before, offering unparalleled performance benefits. Synthetic materials, constantly evolving, have surpassed kangaroo leather in terms of performance and durability, Fly knit uppers, seamless and sock-like, provide a snug, customized fit, while 3D printed sole plates offer lightweight strength and responsiveness. Data analysis, capturing player movements and foot-to-ball interactions, informs boot design, optimizing traction, stability, and energy transfer. Customization is another defining feature of the contemporary era. Players can personalize their boots with custom colors, designs, and even their initials. This level of personalization reflects the increasing importance of individual expression and style in the modern game. The football boot is no longer just a tool for performance, it's a canvas for self-expression and a reflection of a player's unique personality. Section 10. The future of football boots. Innovation knows no bounds. The future of football boots promises even greater innovation, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Imagine boots with embedded sensors that track performance metrics in real time, providing instant feedback to players and coaches. Or boots with adaptive materials that adjust their properties based on playing conditions, providing optimal grip and support on any surface. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for football boot design are limitless. We might see boots with self-lacing systems, eliminating the need for laces altogether, or boots with integrated heating elements, keeping players' feet warm and dry in even the coldest conditions. The future of football boots is limited only by our imagination. One thing is certain, the humble football boot, once a rudimentary piece of equipment, has undergone a remarkable transformation. Driven by relentless innovation and a deep understanding of the game, football boots will continue to evolve, enhancing player performance, pushing the boundaries of design, and captivating fans around the world. Section 11. Conclusion. Transforming the beautiful game, one step at a time. From the heavy work boots of the 1800s to the lightweight, data-driven marvels of today, the evolution of the football boot has mirrored the transformation of the beautiful game itself. Each innovation, driven by a desire for enhanced performance, safety, and style, has left an indelible mark on the sport, shaping how the game is played and experienced. The modern football boot, a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship, is a far cry from its humble origins. It is a tool of precision, a statement of style, and a symbol of the ever-evolving relationship between athlete and equipment. As technology continues to advance, the football boot will undoubtedly continue to evolve, further blurring the lines between human potential and technological innovation. With each step, each strike, each dazzling display of skill and athleticism, the football boot will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the beautiful game, captivating generations to come with its enduring legacy of innovation and passion.